Yeah.
Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sarir. I major in Nautical Level 2. Excuse me, could you tell me where the library is?
Yes, it's the way you go 3 blocks to Washington Street, the turn right. It's on the corner across from the bank.
Thanks. I've only been in to 5 days, so I really don't know my way around here.
Oh no, how you feel? We moved here a year ago and still don't know where everything is.
Yeah.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the library is?
Yes, it's that why. You go the block to Washington Street. Then turn right, it's on the corner across from the bank.
Thanks. I have only been in town a few days, so really don't know my way around yet.
Oh no, how if you feel? We moved a year ago, and I still don't know where everything is.